to Girard. And they'll step inside the line. Kerfoot banks it back. Sam Girard across to McCarr. Cale McCarr and shoots in on Jones, and he makes his first tricky little stop. He's tied up by Barry. Kerfoot hit hard there by Kane. Puck comes free. Hurdle. Back to the point for Brent Burns. Snap shot. Deflected. Scores!
He's the best in the league at doing just this. Works on it every day. The little stop up, the turn, the great shot from the blue.
Melker Karlsson up in the play for the shots. He's checked by McCarr. Stays with the play. Held out there by Barclay Goodrow. Back to Braun. Wrist shot saved. Grubauer. Hurdle double team. Lugs it back the other way. Throws it to the open man. Kane shoots. Big stop by Grubauer. On Evander Kane. Centering pass. Scores! Tomas Hurdle.
Pavelski was injected on the second line to get them going. Kane has a grade A chance. Terrific save by Grubauer, but follow the puck up.
Zadorov swings around his own net, works it up the boards. Into the middle of the ice, and here comes McKinnon. Off the bench, McKinnon stopped by Jones. Here is Gabe Landeskog now. Angled wide, still with the puck. Here's Landeskog trying to cut around Burns. Landeskog puts it back to the point for Girard. And shot, scores! A shot from the point, tipped in front.
Doesn't try and force the puck to the middle. He eventually finds a lane to get it back. And what a wrist shot to get through by Girard. Perfect redirection.
Back to Karlsson. His shot goes just wide. Rebound Karams near side to Pavelski. Pavelski's pass gets across to LeBanc. LeBanc inside his hurdle. Stopped by Grubauer. Rebound. Shovel to the line. Barclay Goodrow. Goodrow was the Game 7 hero in round number 1. And now it's loose for McKinnon out in front. They score! The Avalanche have tied the game. Colin Wilson.
San Jose is challenging the call to decide if there was offside prior to the goal.
So there you go. The
NHL blue line camera here, and you can see Landeskog. There's no question the tip of his skate is on the line. But he's the 6th player that's on the ice and hasn't gotten off yet.
After coach's challenge, it's determined the play was offside.
Again, back up the ice, trying to center. That was Wilson. Couldn't get it in there cleanly. Broussard's in there. Now Soderberg blocking out to McCarr. His shot rebound, and Jones got them both. And it's free for Melker Karlsson. Sends it all the way around the boards, waiting for his Burns. Quickly puts it back into the corner. Donskoy. Onto it now for San Jose. Out shoots. Scores!
Skating, keeping pucks alive, and working around the offensive zone. That's a great play right there by Burns, not to try and put.
Can't advance it. Here's a chance in front for McKinnon. Lost his footing, and he wants a call. He didn't lose it. He felt he was pulled down, and now it's a 2-on-1. Pavelski in, shoots, save. Grubauer, loose pocket, it's pushed in. Out comes Karlsson. Tapped inside the line by Kane, picked up by Hurdle. Hurdle, backhand, in, sprawling to make a stop was Grubauer. Ethan McKinnon snaps that puck in. Around the boards, met by Vlasic. Shovels it to Burns. Burns puts it up the boards, and it bounces right to Girard. To Kerfoot, his shot. Save Jones, rebound. They score! Tyson Jost.
Elevate each and every game. He's demanded more ice time, and Jared Bednar said he could see it coming in round 1.
Compher steps in. Compher with it, holds all the way around the net. Here's J.T. Compher. Zadorov shot in front. Soderberg puts it right through Jones and out the other side against Burns. There's Couture, who's out of the box. And San Jose's got the puck again, working it up the wall. Knocked down by McCarr, back in towards the net. A little bouncer, a tricky one. Up ahead to McCarr. McCarr dancing in, high in the zone. Still with it, and now the Avs. Here's a shot in there on Jones. Rebound to Ranson, and he was in tight. Gus Nyquist had Meyer charging towards the net. Out in front it goes. Here's Meyer. It rolls to the points. Karlsson shot kicked out by Grubauer. The final minute, Game 7. Big push from the Avalanche. Ranson it now. In front, Kerfoot. One shot, two. Jones got them both.
Little time added.
And the San Jose Sharks are going back to the Western Conference Final.